Video explaining the story of Hanebado. Opening scene introduction. Welcome to the world of Hanebado, an emotional roller coaster that takes us into the high-stakes world of competitive badminton. Today, we'll dive deep into the story of this anime, exploring its characters, emotional depth, and incredible matches that make it a standout in the sports genre. Chapter 1. Setting the stage. Our story begins with Nagisa Aragaki, a fierce and determined badminton player who has dedicated her life to the sport. However, after a crushing defeat in the nationals, Nagisa is left questioning her abilities and self-worth. Her frustration leads to overtraining and a tense relationship with her teammates. On the other hand, we have Ayano Hanasaki, a natural badminton prodigy who mysteriously avoids the sport. Ayano's talent is undeniable, but her past trauma, being abandoned by her mother, Uchika Hanasaki, has left her reluctant to step onto the court. Their paths cross when Kentaro Tachibana, a new coach, arrives at Kitakomachi High School. Coach Tachibana is determined to create a winning team, but his biggest challenge is bringing these two talented yet troubled players together. Chapter 2. Character Introductions and Conflicts. Let's take a closer look at our main characters and their conflicts. Nagisa Aragaki. A passionate and hard-working player, Nagisa struggles with the fear of failure. She hides her insecurities behind an aggressive personality, often clashing with her teammates. Ayano Hanasaki. Ayano's natural talent for badminton is overshadowed by her emotional baggage. She feels abandoned and betrayed by her mother, making her reluctant to trust others. Coach Kentaro Tachibana. As the mediator, Coach Tachibana's goal is to inspire the team and help them overcome their personal hurdles. He believes in Ayano's potential and Nagisa's leadership, even when they doubt themselves.